you might want to provide out some reference materials to your students from Google Classroom. So in order to do that, what you need to do is you need to go around onto the classwork section in your Google Classroom, and over here what you can do is you can create out a reference material. So I'm just going to go around and click on create, and over here you can see that material is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you have an option to create out a material. So I'm just going to go around and say reference materials right here, just like this. And over here in the description, let me just go around and say, please, like let's say for example, like extra resources right here. So you can go around and type in like this and format it out as well. So what you can do is you can go around and attach it out from Google Drive, or you can go around attach it out from YouTube, or even create out a material right here, like create out docs or slides as you like. But I'm just going to go around and click on upload right here, just like this. So once I do that, I can go around and upload out a content to my Google Drive. Let's say for example, if I were to go around and select out the book 1, and if I were to go around and select out, let's say TutorTube right here, I can hold shift and select out multiple materials right here and click on open, and all of them will be uploaded over here in Google Drive, as you can see, and they are now there as an attachment, just like this. So over here, you can also choose whom this reference material is for. So you can choose both of the classes as well. Choose individual students if you like as well. And you can also go around and create out a topic. Let's say, for example, and say extra right here, just like this. So after choosing all of this, you can go around and schedule it or save it as a draft as well, just like with the post, and discard the draft as well. And I'm just going to go around and post it right ahead. Right over here. So once I do that, under the topic extra, you can see that a reference material is created over here, and if the students were to click on it, then they simply have this right here. They can go around and click on view material, and they get onto the separate page right here. If I were to go around over here, then you can see that this is the classroom right here, and this is there as well. If I were to go around onto the classroom for the reference material, you can see that the teacher has posted out a reference material, but you don't see the reference material right away. The students will need to go around and click it right here, but it'll be forever available under classwork section right here, where they will be able to go around and access this out right here. So this is what you have, as you can see, and that is how you can go around and post out and share out materials with your classroom by using Google Classroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.